weeds and a dull, barren landscape. It's a sunny morning with the family gathered around, looking at the space. The father stands at the forefront, holding a shovel, looking determined. The mother, Sarah, is standing beside him, smiling at the possibilities. Ethan and Lily are exploring the space, imagining what it could become. Father, John. This garden will be beautiful, but it won't be easy. It'll take hard work and patience. Are we ready? Mother, Sarah. Together we can do anything. Ethan. I can help with the plants. Lily, gently touching the ground. Let's make it colorful. A few days later. The garden is being worked on, and the family is busy digging, planting, and pulling weeds. The father and mother are working side by side, while the kids help with small tasks. Everyone is tired, but there's a sense of unity in their efforts. The father is digging a hole with a shovel, while the mother is planting flowers nearby. Sweat drips down their faces, but they are focused and determined. Ethan and Lily are also working. Ethan is trying to water a plant, but spills some water on the ground, causing him to laugh. Lily is carefully placing small stones along a flower bed. A week later, the family is discouraged as they look at their garden. Some of the plants have wilted, the weeds have started to grow back, and the garden doesn't look as perfect as they imagined. The sun is cloudy, and there's a sense of frustration. The children sit near the plants, disheartened. The father stands up, looking at the garden and flowers, looking concerned. Ethan and Lily sit nearby, disappointed, their shoulders slumped. There's a sense of struggle, but the atmosphere is still calm and reflective. Father John, looking at the garden, it's not perfect yet, but that doesn't mean we give up. Mother, Sarah, gently comforting the kids. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but that's part of the journey. Ethan, I thought it would be easy. Lily, maybe we should stop. Father, looking at them. No, we'll keep going. The harder we work, the better it'll feel when it's done. A few weeks later. The garden is now in full bloom. Vibrant flowers, neatly trimmed bushes, and green grass fill the yard. The family stands together, admiring their work. The father places a hand on his children's shoulders, and they all smile. Wide shot of a beautiful, lush garden in full bloom. Well-maintained plants. The family stare in the garden. Father, mother, son, and daughter, all smiling proudly. Everyone is standing tall and happy. Family sitting on a bench in the garden, enjoying the fruits of their labor. The father looks content and proud. The mother leans against him, and the kids play around in the garden, laughing. Father, the harder you work for something, the greater you feel when you achieve it.